Hi, this is James at Optical Mirror. Today, I'm going to teach you how to detect a two-way mirror. A regular mirror can be seen here, and you'll notice there's something called the fingernail test, which is when you take your fingernail and hold it against the surface of a mirror, like so. And if you see a gap between your finger and its reflection, that means it's a standard mirror. That's only a half truth because there are many different types of two-way mirrors on the market. The mirror that won't pass the fingernail test is actually the most common two-way mirror on the market, which is called mirror-pane or transparent mirror, and it comes in a glass. So if you put your finger against the glass two-way mirror, you'll see your finger is touching its reflection. So that's a surefire way to know that a mirror is without a doubt a two-way mirror. However, there are different types of mirrors on the market. The most notable being an acrylic. So in any sort of retail setting or commercial setting, this is incredibly common to find. Now, one side, if it's installed backwards, the mirror side will be on the surface, and when you touch your fingernail to it, it will fail the fingernail test. But you flip that mirror around, if it's installed properly, then there is literally virtually no way to tell. If you hold your finger, you'll see that there is in fact a gap. So it passes the fingernail test. But there's a few different ways to figure out, despite that, whether it's a two-way mirror. The first way is simply knock on it. If you hear kind of an echoey sound, that means there's likely a hollow space behind it. As opposed to if I put my hand flat, you'll hear what it sounds like if the mirror is being fully supported. It sounds more solid. When it's not being supported, you hear that? It's a little bit of an echo. So that's a subtle way to tell, but the best way to tell, simply take out your cell phone, turn on the flashlight of your cell phone, and hold it up to the mirror. Hold it all the way up, and if you can see the light literally passing through to the other side, as you can see there, but you should be able to see it from the mirror side as well, through the mirror. If you can see that, that means there's a hollow space and it's a two-way mirror for sure. I'll take you through the final type of two-way mirror as well, just so you're familiar with it. A little less common is a two-way mirror made with a standard piece of glass combined with a mirror film, which you can see here. And from the mirror side, it's going to be completely obvious it's film because it's got all bubbles and scratches and stuff. But from the other side, if you see little bubbles behind the surface in various areas, that means it's a transparent mirror. So that's yet another way to tell if a mirror is a two-way mirror or a standard mirror. Well, that takes you through it. This is James from Optical Mirror.